Hello everyone, welcome to Lekker Treats. So in today's video we'll be making homemade pineapple juice. For this recipe I used 2 medium-sized pineapple to achieve 1.2 liters of pineapple juice. First we'll wash and peel our pineapple. I will be saving the pineapple peel to use for an immune boosting drink. Next, we'll cut the pineapple into smaller chunks. We'll be juicing our pineapple in the juicer. You can use any juicer of your choice. Nothing will be going waste. I will be using the remaining pulp in the pulp extractor for another recipe. Pineapple juice is almost ready. And here we have it, 100% pineapple juice made at home. It can be served immediately or refrigerated to drink later. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to this channel. Bye!